Hi guys, I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I just want to address a few things I have noticed, okay? Especially on Facebook. So, we're trying to help you. Let me just go straight to the point. We're trying to help you. When I say we, I mean myself and a few friends I have featured on my page. We're trying to help you, okay? We know a lot of people complain about insurance not paying, insurance not benefiting people and all of that. But when I post a video and you have maybe something to say about it, a bad review about some insurance policy you bought either from my company or from another company, and you just generalize it and you write a comment under it. I'm not against you writing your or sharing your experiences, but when I ask you questions, I would like you to answer. For instance, I've seen a couple of posts where the people, they almost attacked me, right? So they they started by attacking, and then I asked them, using my, of course, customer service skills and all of that, I will not come attacking you too, but then I will ask you a few questions, because right from the moment you started the post, I knew where the problem was coming from. So when you come under the post and you start with insults, I mean, you don't expect that we would insult you back. We are corporate people. We are not supposed to do that. We have our HRs and our CEOs and all of those people, our managers, watching, okay? So how you conduct yourself online can also affect you in real life. So when you insult us under our post, unfortunately, we cannot respond with insults. Even if we want to, I mean, we can't do that. It's not like we're going to do it anyway, but we cannot do that because we are all representing a certain brand, or we're representing a company. If not even as our own selves, we are representing someone else's company. So we need to apply some amount of decency online. But having said that, when we post something and you feel you have a negative experience you want to, of course we know that. We know insurance companies and their clients, there are so many issues. So many issues. And that is why we have decided to educate the public on what to do, what not to do, because under normal circumstances, these things are not talked about, even in the offices. You just walk into an office, you buy your insurance policy, and then you move on. You rarely read the policy documents. Meanwhile, everything is stated in there. And of course, the insurance underwriter may not be able to tell you everything upfront or everything in a sitting. Every case is treated uniquely. So the insurance person or the underwriter may not be able to answer all your questions. And it's not as if you even ask any questions. And that is one of my problems with most customers. So as we're celebrating Customer Service Week, please ask questions. If there's anything you don't understand about the policy you're buying, please ask questions. Don't hesitate to share your experiences with other companies, with the new companies, so that they can advise you. Then you know what to expect. When we ask you for details for what's really happened, try as much as you can to give us the full details. For instance, someone had a negative experience to share, and they just started by attacking me as if I were the one who underwrote the policy. As if I were the one who attended to them. They immediately started attacking me. What is the problem? Because if there's something, you have to obviously understand what it is. But the moment they started narrating, oh, and someone hit me, and when I knew someone else was involved, I knew it was a third party issue. And we have told you guys on countless occasions that third parties, whenever there is a claim and there are third parties involved, always know that the probability of your insurance company asking you for police report is so high. Those are the requirements. We have told you this on a number of occasions. Okay, let's say you've forgotten, but I'm telling you this again. So when there's a third party involved, you would always be asked to bring a police report. This is not the case for every situation. If you're leaving your house and something happens, maybe even on your compound, something happens, nobody's going to ask you to bring a police report. Secondly, if it's a theft case, you will definitely be asked to bring a police report. Okay? So when these things happen, and we're talking about insurance claims, and of course, when we post a video talking about claims, and you have some of these negative experiences, by all means, you can share them. But please, when we ask for details, kindly give us the full details, because on some of the posts, we may be running ads, and then you just leave it there. You attack the person and then you leave it there. Meanwhile, it's not even Star Assurance you bought the thing from. Or even if you bought it from Star Assurance, maybe I was not the one who attended to you. Okay, so please give us the full details so that we can attend to you properly. And number two, this one, I kind of feel the person, right? I understand where they're coming from. I share in their sentiments. But what you think ought to be the right thing to be done, or what you think is the most sensible thing to be done, is unfortunately not what is done. Insurance has always been in existence. Long before you and I even came. Long before it was brought to Ghana for us all to practice. These are the guidelines. These are the requirements. When there is a claim, this and this and this is what has to be done. So what you think ought to be the right thing, no, may not be the. And this is the challenge with most people. This is the challenge with most people. You try to use common sense to analyze some of these matters. Okay, so you thought, okay, for instance, let me give you a typical example. Like in this case where your somebody hits another person, so there's a third party involved. You would think that, oh, it was my fault. Okay, so let me just go to my insurance company and tell them that, oh, it was my fault, so just pay the person. Because when I was buying the policy, you people didn't ask me questions, so if I'm coming, why are you asking me questions? But unfortunately, that is not the case. It is clearly stated in the policy document that you don't have to admit liability. Even if it were your fault, don't say anything. That is what is stated in the policy document. Clearly, don't admit liability. Let's take the matter to the police station. Let them tell us who is at fault, and then we come in. But if you think that per common sense, you think that you caused it, so your insurance company should pay, they would fight you, fight in court. It would be a back and forth. Then you're already tense, you're stressed, and now the insurance is also telling you, go and come. The company is saying, go and come. You will be stressed out. So please, what you think is the ideal thing is unfortunately not what is done, because it's a contract. You don't expect that you pay, say, 482 for your policy, and you bring a claim of maybe 30,000, and they'll just take the money and pay you like that. It's not done anyway. Yeah, so in the spirit of customer service, or good customer service, please, let's try to give full details, and let's have some decorum on the page. I beg you. Because I will not be able to banter with you back and forth and all of that. So let's have some decorum in the things we write. And I'm here to help you regardless. If it's from Star Assurance or not, I am here to help you. So let's be guided, and I look forward to hearing from you. Okay, whether good comments or bad comments. Even if you don't want to put it up under the post, you can send me a private message. I have my WhatsApp number on the page. You can just pick it up and text me. I will help you, even if it's not with Star Assurance and you just need advice on something. I won't charge you. I will just tell you what to expect and what not to expect. If I can't help you personally, I would obviously give you to someone who can assist you. So please don't hesitate. And my final words, please, when I put my number out there, you guys, it's not about, are you married? I love you, and please, you don't know me. How can you love me? I said, if you want a quotation, please, you can text me. But if not, you love me, you know me. Okay, anyway, so happy customer service week, and then I will see you guys later.